My daughter really wanted to make this ribbon flag, but I wanted to wait till the ribbon was on sale. It happened to be 40% off this week, so we grabbed our ribbon. We also found this amazing clearance fabric for only $1.59. Paint was only 49 cents. We were ready to cut down part of our tree so we could have the top to our flag. We then started measuring our ribbon. We cut all the sections before we started. You can make your flag as big as you want. She wanted hers about 2 feet tall, so we made each of these cut into 4-foot sections, and that made it about 2 feet tall. We then started to attach the ribbons, and we went red, white, all the way down. This is how we tied the ribbon on. We just put a loop under, and then we pulled the ribbon through, and then we pulled it nice and secure, and then put it snug next to the ribbon right next to it, all the way across. We found the ribbon was kind of windy, so we used a flat iron to go ahead and iron out the ribbon. This worked really good, except for on the one with metal, that got a little too hot. Ironing really helps smooth it out and make it lay nice and flat. We then cut our strips of fabric and then attached them like we did the ribbon. We probably should have put the stars on before, but we thought about it after, so we cut out some stars with an X-Acto knife, put some tape on it so the paper would be a little thicker, and then we used that white paint and a stipple brush, and we stippled on all of our stars. We made sure to rotate these so they each were in a different direction. Time to cut off the extra tree limb, and then we used another piece of ribbon to use a hanger, just tied it and then put it in between the ribbon. Easy as that, she was able to make this cute ribbon flag.